call the crested francolins.
I see little monkeys. What are they?
The Vovet monkeys. Vovet.
Okay.
Yeah,
That's
the
what we have in the
black-faced
Philippines,
monkey.
that little monkey.
The little monkeys, they
Yeah.
call them Vovet monkey.
Vovet.
Are they?
Vovet.
What are on the tree? They're like big birds. They look like
Like a black
peacocks
bird.
almost.
Guinea hens.
Guinea hens.
Yeah.
It's okay to open the window?
But when I'll show you a place, it will be dusty, yeah?
Okay. Yeah, I'll close it once you tell me.
Where's your hat, anak? Look up.
Oh, no hats.
Yeah, from here, you know, it will be dusty.
Oh, dusty? Okay. I'll close it.
Where your bracelet? The one I gave you?
I
Where you put
forgot
it?
it. It's on the. I forgot it on the. Oops. I have.
It's your
So did you get to see the Mount Kilimanjaro this morning, huh?
Yes, very pretty. By the
Very
pool.
pretty, yeah?
Right next to the pool, you can see it perfectly.
Yeah, there's a viewing deck at the pool, yeah?
What are those big birds? Is it?
Marabou stork.
Where?
On your right here.
Wow, that's a good one.
Marabou.
Remember, mahirap ang ganyan. Buksan mamaya, pabuksan mo.
I'll take one shot, honey. Wow.
Yeah, this is what we call the Marabou stork.
Oh, they're not camera shot.
Oh, I think we're waiting for them.
Yeah, they're not camera shy.
Yeah, they're not.
Nag-post, yeah.
They're not camera
Both
shy.
of them even pose, you know?
Yeah, look at her feet.
One is
But
posing,
post
huh?
that.
Yeah, I know.
And you know their
Like
feet
hippos.
are not white, huh?
Yeah.
Their feet are black.
Look at the
But
feet.
they
It's a
poop on
Hollywood
their
po-
feet,
Oh,
huh?
there you go, baby.
They poop on their feet.
Nag-post pa sila.
Come over. Come on here.
Do you see baboons? There,
Where?
right here behind the bushes here.
Okay.
We have the yellow baboons there. Behind the bushes, we have the yellow
Oh, the big
baboons.
ones.
I see
They have big ones there. And the big bird. Oh my God, that's a
Marabou
tall
stork.
bird.
They're like friends.
Yeah,
But that's a
They are
tall
scavengers,
bird.
huh?
A
They are
bad
scavengers.
bird.
Both of them?
they are hitting on the leftovers, yeah. Cool.
Oh, yes.
Bye.
Cool.
My God, they're
Oh,
waiting
God.
for you. You got an early start, baby.
I know.
Maingay nga yung ibon. Takot na ako. Ba't sila ng room?
Oh,
Ano ba sabi mo yung ibon?
What do you expect you're in
Kasi
Africa?
yung ibon nagpalabas. May pa by the time na we want to sleep, tsaka nagpalabas ng
Ay,
Dahil nag-iilog na yung Nancy. Yung ibon. Nagtago ako sa ano.
That tree.
No, we are in Kenya. It's a network. The network is covering Tanzania. We are not far from Tanzania.
Dapat you said you were in the border.
Yeah, we are not far from the Tanzania border.
no, my phone says we are now in.
Ayun,
Yeah,
babe.
your phone says you are in Tanzania, yeah?
Yeah,
Danny, oh, look at those two girls. They're doing marites.
Oh, what are those towers on the right? Like
It's a water tower. It's
Water
water reservoir. It's a water tower.
Is this the village on the left?
Yeah, there's the Maasai village, yeah.
Masai village right there. The left side.
Is it green?
Yeah.
ever go inside their village or no?
You'd like to?
Yeah, for him. Bring him later.
Later, can we
Maybe.
Yeah, for
for them
him.
to see?
I'm gonna come back, remember? So I can do it then.
Even today, when we're coming back,
We're back here at 4.
go and see them.
Do it
Yeah.
today. Do it today. But it's interesting. No, no. And it's not raining. We went on a rainy day. Just imagine. Basta lagi ko said, wala na tayong ligtas doon. Dahil itong kasi wala ka ng ligtas. You add it luggage to your holiday. Hindi ka tuloy bigay ng shopping. So,
Oh, there's a gazelle. I don't know what kind it is. Pretty.
I'll close the window, yeah?
Oh, close the window.
Yeah, I close it now.
I will miss this when I go home. Really, I will. It's only 3 miles.
Oh, Aya Safari. Aya Safari.
Mamaya. Because
Oh, you were gonna be sick. Yeah,
Yeah,
we're
since
good.
he lives on it.
Pero ayaw ko
But hindi, just for now. Kasi hindi na babalik yung van.
And the guinea hens, the chicken-looking birds, the chicken-like birds.
How do they
Guinea hens.
How do they get on the tree?
They can fly.
Oh,
The guinea hens there.
Oh, yeah.
it is impossible to look through these when you're driving.
Oh, yeah.
It's just like.
When you stand up later, you'll be good.
Have you guys used tours at all or no? Not really.
Me too. I'd rather just because
I'll see if I can return it.
you're gonna lose time if you are on that. Unless you're only on that and you have a park that taking pictures.
Yeah, so this is our, the other day, this is how we
Wait for 4 hours.
many hours, maybe 4 hours.
I really like it.
The bank.
Yeah. It feels
They
so
were rocks.
natural.
I mean, they were rocks.
It makes it more of an experience.
Actually, inside the park, it's not paved. Huh? They live it natural, the way it's here. Huh?
Yes. That's how it should be.
No, that's fine. Eh, ganun din naman yung sa araw yung tipo na. Original.
You know, because nighttime, it's so quiet nighttime. That's why. Yeah, but, you know, when I hear earplugs, you don't hear it, you know.
Oh, giraffe.
To the left.
Where?
On the left.
On the left.
Quite far. And the Thompson
Oh,
Gazelle.
the Thompson
what is
Gazelle.
this
The
beautiful?
Thompson Gazelle.
Giraffe there.
What? No, this two.
Where's the giraffe?
Hold it. What is
There's
that?
a giraffe
Oh, right there.
No, no,
That's
no,
the
I
long
mean,
one.
Even here.
The two nice ones.
Even the giraffe there.
Just
That Thompson Gazelle.
No, I want to see this. I have seen so many giraffes.
Yeah, they are giraffes, Thompson Gazelle.
Oh,
giraffe is there.
Emotion. That you get up and
Hopefully we can see elephants.
Yeah, it's an impala.
Oh, that's Impala.
Yeah. And the giraffes are there walking.
Where?
To the left there.
Oh, there. Oh my gosh. Look at how tall.
Even another one there.
Look at that.
oh, there's still one more. There, two.
Yeah,
Going there.
there.
You see this one here?
Yeah.
One more giraffe there. I like them in a tree. Like under the
You like them on top of the tree, yeah?
Yeah.
Very,
Because
very
it's
up.
When they're on the tree, there.
You see them under the tree?
Oh, it's
Under
eating.
the
Hold
tree.
on.
He's eating.
Hold on.
Oh,
Eating.
he's eating the tree.
Hold on.
Yeah. Oh, where is it?
The other one is coming.
Yeah, but I can't see
Oh,
it
where's
from
the
here.
other one is walking.
Yeah.
I want the one where it's eating. Where is the one there? Eating. Oh, here.
Another giraffe. Eating. The other one is walking. Where is the one that's walking? Oh, you can only see the. You can only see the head.
Good?
Okay.
Good. I know we'll get them later,
Okay.
well.
Okay. Yeah.
No, that's a different
Yeah.
one.
Good. Good go.
I wish I video.
So is there a lot of predators out here since
On
there's-
a lucky day, you might get a lion. Not as many, but on a lucky day, you can get a lion.
So they're here somewhere though.
Yeah, we do get. In Abosel, you can see lions. On a lucky day, you can see a cheetah. Oh, yeah. Oh, hyena.
Does anything eat giraffes?
Lions can
Lions eat giraffes. Have you seen any live feedings?
I've seen lions make kills, yeah.
And what do they normally go for?
Lions will land buffaloes or zebras.
Buffalo and zebra.
Even other antelopes like eland. Lions will even eat wildebeests.
National Park.
Amboseli National Park, yeah. And this, be careful with what you get, yeah. Sometimes it might not be the real thing, yeah. So just be careful. You have met them, yeah.
Oh yes, yeah.
Oh, you guys have met them before.
Yeah, you know they can be pushy, yeah.
And his general
So try to run away from them.
Yeah, yeah.
But is it pushed for a good price or no?
Good price, but the quality. You get something, it just breaks.
Oh. Oh, those are so pretty.
Oh, you wanted the necklace, right?
Yes, I want something like that. Like the.
We'll see some stores too.
Are there stores that have those? I really like those.
$10.
That's good for $10.
30.
30. Oh no.
10.
How much for that? We're just here. I just want to hear what she said.
Stand it. Stand it. Oh yeah, it's good.
How much is that one? Oh, I paid
Honey,
$18 for the small one of that.
No, that's what they're saying also. Oh, you know $15. But I cannot open. Can you open this baby?
Open.
I will.
Get the top one.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh, the other guy ripped me off. I paid 18 for the small one.
No, but it's that.
How much? For two?
Wait, no, it's for no money.
How many shilling is that?
It's 4,000 shilling.
That one's good. That's good.
Last price.
Because I paid 18 for the one this big.
How much?
Would you do 15?
15. Okay.
How many shilling?
It's 3,000 shilling. $20 is 3,000 shilling. Okay, man. Okay.
But what kind of material?
This a rose. Yeah, the big size. Yeah, this is big one, madam. I give you good price. $20.
Would you do
18.
2,200 shilling?
Well, how much? No, how much
2,200?
money? Shilling.
2,005.
2,005. 2,005. No, 1,000 is 10 alone. 1,000 shilling.
Just paid in dollar because
Dollar? Oh, you take US dollar?
15.
You know how much for it?
Did you give it to you for 15?
Yeah? Yeah?
Looking is free.
Is she giving it to you for 15?
Yeah.
Just pay in
1,500 shillings.
Exactly.
Yes.
We already bought one.
But this is different. It's much like that. It's two. Papa and Mama.
Ah, that's nice.
Yeah, and a good price for both.
Ano ka matata?
Yeah?
Ako na matata.
Ano matata? Yeah. Good price.
Sawa-sawa.
And this, the club.
Just give me $20.
You know how
Thank
much
you.
for the club? You can look. Looking is free.
No, thank you. Thank you.
How much are those?
How much?
She's going.
No,
15?
No, that's $30.
Just say 20.
Oh, for this one? No, I gave her 15. 15. No, thank you. It's okay. No, no. How much?
Ako na matata.
You said 10.
Sawa-sawa. Sawa-sawa.
Sawa sawa. Lakini kupe for the zero. How about this?
Yeah. How much?
I'll do 12.
$12?
12?
No, give me the necklace.
12? Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh wait, can I check over there? Can I see a different one?
I want the ivory.
I like the one hanging.
Hey, ivory. What kind of
Oh no, thank you.
Tanggalin mo muna ito. Take this off and then you can go down
I
there.
know, I want to go see.
For the club?
Oh no, no club, no thank you.
I give you this for $5 for one. 5.
Oh no, it's okay.
Ako na matata.
Kuna matata.
Sawa-sawa.
Sawa sawa.
Is that okay? And you give me the 16?
Yeah.
Oh yes. How many if I get two?
Good.
Give me that for 2.
30. How
Alright,
about
we
22?
go now.
22.
We go see
Oh
animals.
wait, I'm gonna just buy this one real quick. Sorry.
And we go see animals.
22 for two? Okay, they'll
Yeah,
do
and
two
we
for
go look
22.
for animals.
Same price.
I'll give you
Another one for same price.
oh wait, hold on. I'm gonna just take these two.
No, one more chili. No, 3. Bracelet. Give me white. White. No, 3 for 22.
3?
White
3 for 22?
Yeah, yeah.
No, it's okay. That's okay.
money. You give him the money.
Same price.
Bracelet.
Hi.
Like that. One bracelet, white one.
It's only $5. Okay, get one.
Yeah?
White one, white.
Oh, no more money.
Man.
White one,
No more.
white.
We already gave you 22. It's been 322.
2,000.
Never mind.
Oh, that one is so
For
pretty.
same price.
Same price and it's these two.
So did you get a bargain?
I don't know.
You don't know what you got.
Oh my gosh, Ben. They sold me one for way cheaper than the other place.
Let me and You know, the artwork, I mean, who did it is different.
No, this one's nice.
Yeah.
I bought
Sawit na lang.
the other guys at the first place we went to.
Uh-huh.
This one, they sell me for 20. At the other place, I got a tiny version for 18.
But let me tell you,
But it's heavy.
you know the wood. You don't even know whether this wood. Yeah, the wood. That is something different.
Oh my God.
It's something very much different.
Oh, you didn't warn me. I'm just kidding, you did.
Yeah, it's the wood. You know the wood, yeah?
Yes.
And if you don't know that one, how it's made. So here are the impalas.
Okay, let's go for the impalas.
Yeah, we see the animals. These are the impalas here. No, Dan is not a must. You put the seat belt. I'm driving slowly.
Okay.
Oh no, we cannot get up.
Yeah, we can still get up, yeah?
Are you sure?
Yeah. So these are the impalas.
Where's my phone?
I eat impala.
Very good meat.
Oh, it's
Yeah,
good?
that's a
You
good
can
meat.
get up, yeah?
Yeah, it's a good meat.
That's
That's
okay, yeah?
deer meat. That's deer meat. That's a delicacy.
That is so
I don't even have my phone.
yes.
Thank you.
You will go to
I just video, right? I video. Yeah. I did not even open mine.
So these are the impalas, yeah? You've seen them before?
Yeah, I eat deer meat.
Where did you hear them?
Oh, in America.
In America. All these impala.
You know what's good is to barbecue.
Okay.
The shady impalas. Good?
Oh, yes.
Are you done?
There's some black there.
How heavy is your people? Let me see.
It's kind of heavy.
If it's heavy, then that's good enough. Because the one in the
So this
I know.
park, yeah? Amboseli National Park?
I know. That's
Oh,
okay.
more to a right here.
Oh, okay.
Oh, it's a big family here. On to a right.
Oh, the family of the Impala.
Impalas, yeah? This is the
Okay.
family of the impalas.
Madam.
And you'll always find there's one territorial male, yeah? Where you find lots of impalas like this, you find there's only one male, the territorial male
Oh,
impala.
impalas are also in a territorial.
Yeah, they live in the territory. You see, these are all females, huh? These are all ladies and
Oh,
their
there's
children,
only
yeah?
There's no man.
So he must be somewhere. The man must be somewhere. They all belong to him. They all belong to him.
All these women. Huh?
Yeah, all these women belong to a man, the male impala.
Sorry.
Okay.
Good?
I don't have yet. Okay, 3, 2.
They left us, Grace. They left us.
Yeah.
Okay.
And once again, don't step on the fridge with the shoes or the seats
Oh, okay.
with the shoes.
Yeah,
Please,
yes, sir.
please,
Yeah,
mom.
I will put cover.
Yeah.
Please, mom.
I take my shoes off.
Right, these are the impala there.
Yeah.
But
That's
nice.
okay. Yeah, we got it.
That's very nice.
We got it.
That's very nice. We have time for the animals. Very cute.
That's postcard picture.
We're watching them, they're watching us.
嗯
3, 2.
A family of impalas.
So
Yes.
what are these? Women
Families
or
of
men?
impalas.
These
or
are
men?
females.
Impalas.
And there's a young male. There's a small boy.
Oh, the male is.
The males have horns. Females have no horns.
Oh.
So that is a
right.
young
Oh,
boy.
female.
Yeah, that is how you can
There's
tell.
no-
That's a young boy.
Oh, his little horns are so small.
Yeah, he's
Oh,
still young.
where? Where's the
The horns? You don't see
the
him?
horn?
Right there. His head lifting up.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. They're so small.
They are they look very nice, like
That's a
polished.
young male, the one with the horn.
And they have the McDonald's sign onto
Oh,
the
look at them.
bumps.
They are all here.
The M sign, yeah? You see the McDonald's
They
sign
are
on the
all
bumps?
here, all women, and there's only one
Boy,
boy,
yes,
still a baby boy,
a baby boy.
and there's one male
Impala.
around
The
here.
territory